Hello everybody, and welcome to Survival Dads. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at Modular Survival System's Urban Disaster Kit. The Urban Disaster Module. Coming in at £12.99, this kit is a must for anyone travelling to urban areas where they feel there is a risk of terrorism or natural disaster. So it seems more and more that these kind of disasters are just a fact of life. Every day, people that live in urban centres are told to be wary of these potential dangers, and in some cases are even told just to accept it as part of living in a big city. Well, it pays to be prepared if that's the case, and a kit like this can really make a difference between life and death. So, as with all modular survival systems modules, this is a fully waterproof, small, handy, resealable pouch which is perfect for the car, bag, or even on your person. So first things we're going to do is we're going to actually take a look at the actual packaging itself, then we're going to open it up and I'll show you the contents. So here we have the outside, so we have the explosive risk label here, and we have urban disaster. So this is for maybe a terrorist attack or natural disaster, which is why it's got the explosive signal there. So we spin it around, we can show you the back. As always, you have the QR code here, so if you want to reorder or check out some more information, you can simply scan that with your phone. So I'll give you the writing on the back for you. We hope you never have to use this kit, but if you do, it will protect you from immediate contaminants and then help emergency services locate you. Whether in a vehicle crash, severe weather storm, or active terrorism, this small kit will provide you with the essentials to survive. Suitable for civilian, public service workers, and for those travelling to dangerous areas abroad. So, without further ado, we'll get it open and I'll show you what's inside. 10 notches at the top. And simply open up the zip box here. Okay, so first up we have a pair of gloves. If you watch the other modules, you'll see that gloves play a pivotal role in them. Obviously you have to protect yourself for helping others. That could be from chemical contaminants or biological. So a decent pair of gloves is always vitally important. So next up, so I'm just being careful not to damage the packaging as I want to use its photographs afterwards. Normally you wouldn't really care and you just pull it all out, but I'm just trying to look after it a bit. So we have a face mask here. So this is FFP3 or N99 face mask. This is good for airborne particulates. It's going to stop you breathing that in. If you think back to the World Trade Center disaster or the tube bombings, the amount of dust that is kicked up by that is incredible, and people are actually still suffering health effects from that. So having a good mask that you can put on to protect your lungs can really make a difference. So a decent face mask there. Okay, there's a lot coming out now. Put it to one side a second. So we have 2 alcohol-free cleansing wipes. So it could be that you need to clean some blood off you, clean some chemical contaminant off you, or even just freshen up after, like I said earlier, all that dust might be kicked up. So you've got a couple of alcohol-free cleansing wipes there. You have some emergency eye wash or wound cleanser. So if you have something in your eye, grit or something like that, you can use this to start flushing it. Also, you can use it to clean minor wounds. So that's a really nice addition. Okay, we have a small glow stick here. Really neat. Obviously a glow stick will allow you to, first of all, locate kit around you. Also you can use it to summon rescue. If you're in the dark, for example if you're in a tube or in a building collapse, something like that, Having a bit of light can give you that sense of security, and also can help people locate you. So a small little glow stick there. We have a whistle, obviously for attracting attention. Very small, nice addition there. We have a multi-tool card here. So it's got a number of different functions on there. Small cutting edge there, which is pretty sharp. A few different kind of tools, so you can use that to help aid escape if needed. That's neat. And here we have the splash and dust resistant goggles. Now this, I think, is definitely a worthy addition. Obviously your eyes are the most important sense you have, in my opinion. So the ability to protect them against debris or airborne contaminants, I think, is really vital. So I like that. That's one size fits all, easy to adjust, and really good quality. So there we go. That is the contents of the Urban Disaster Kit. Most bases are covered with this. The idea of the modular survival modules is that you pick and choose what you need, and you can combine them if needed. So for example, if I was going to an urban area, I would most likely put in the Urban Disaster Pack and the Traumatic Injury Kit into my bag. Hopefully I'd never need it, but if I do need it, I want it there, I want it accessible. So this particular kit specialises in looking after you, so obviously you have your lungs covered, you have your eyes covered, cross-contamination issues are sorted with the gloves and the wipes, some minor wound care and eye care with the eye wash there, and rescue. So again, fantastic bit of kit. Be sure to check out the other videos on the channel and the playlist from Modular Survival. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you soon.